Principles of Smart Self-Governance. Good governance means looking after the health of one's ecosystem partners. It's applied to platform companies themselves, as well as to platform partners and participants. The first big principle of smart self-governance for platforms is internal transparency. In platform companies, as in virtually all organizations, there is a tendency for division or departments to become siloed. To develop unique perspectives, languages, systems, processes and tools that are difficult for outsider to understand, even those in another department of the same company.
To avoid this kind of dysfunction, platform managers should strive to give all their business divisions a clear view across the entire platform. Such transparency promotes consistency, help others develop and use key resources, and facilitates to growth scale.
The so-called Yege rant, Executive Steve Yege's attempt to summarize a mandate issued by Amazon's Jeff Bezos, captures the spirit of this principle very effectively.
Bezos insisted that all of the Amazon team must learn to communicate with one another using service interfaces, data communication tools specifically designed to be clear, understandable, and useful to everyone in the organization as well as to outside users and partners.
The idea is to treat everyone you do business with, including your colleagues in other departments and divisions of the organization, as customers with legitimate and important information needs that you are responsible to meet.
Hence the 7 rule presented in the Yege rant: 1 All the henceforth expose their data and functionality through service interfaces. 2 Teams must communicate with each other through these interfaces. 3 There will be no other form of inter-process communication allowed. The only communication allowed is via service interfaces, calls over the network.
4 It doesn't matter what technology they use. HTTP, CORBA, PubSub, custom protocols doesn't matter. Bezos don't care.
5 All service interfaces, without exception, must be designed from the ground up to be externalizable. That is to say, the team must plan and design to be able to expose the interfaces to developers in the outside world. No exceptions. 6 Anyone who doesn't do this will be fired. 7 Thank you, have a nice day. By contrast, companies that limited their own ability to see across business units are likely to fail to establish viable platforms or to build their platform business to scale. Sony Corporation provides a sobering example. Sony never developed the vision to offer a platform, and embraced separate product lines and focused on individual systems.